Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to make the third and final 150th anniversary logo. So my friends, we have finished all the way till here, and now we will see that how to make the third one. Now for that, we are going to take a brand new font. Let's duplicate this, and as I promise that this one is going to be as close as possible to this. Okay, so we just let whatever that we have done be. Okay, let it be here. Let's write 150. Okay, so 150 years, and we take a font Advap Cafe. Okay, now this font is nice, racy, and forward moving. So it's that kind of a font. And first we separate sort of all these three elements because we want to take them individually. Okay, so as usual, we come your object, break apart. Don't worry about the spacing, it's not important. This is there. Copy, paste this 0, flip it. Okay, and now taking this into consideration, we are going to rotate this. So you first just give it another color. Okay, come here, and now we will keep this point as our reference point and rotate this. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, now as this is done, so why we are doing this? So that we don't want this thing that is jutting out to get into a file, because what we are going to do now is the deciding factor. That's these two. Okay, now you take both of them really close to each other. So we any which ways are going to work with all three of them, convert all of them to curves, and now base align all of them. So you get, okay, now this 5 and 0 is okay, we are going to work around this 5 and 0. Now how we are going to work around this is that you take this line. Okay, we are going to take this particular line and cut our 5 in a very dramatic way. Take a 1 also very close to them. Okay, so 150 is one piece, and this 5 and 0 we are going to work around this area. Okay, so we take our let's take a bezier tool, come here, and take this way. Okay, so we have got a line. Let's see if it's in wireframe, if it is in the right place. Okay, wireframe is extremely useful. Yes. Now we are perfectly in line with this one. Now what you do is we give it a once again go enhance, give it a very thick outline. Okay, let's say 24 point, too thick, 16 point. Okay, so 16 point colors. Now what are we experiencing? That this is a little, let's go 8. Yeah, I think 8 is also thick. Let's go for, yeah, 4 is very very good. Okay, so now we will convert this outline into an object. Okay, in a very very different way. Let's get into a wireframe again and make this big. Okay, so that even if it does come out, we are not losing anything. But this is what it is. Now this is one particular curve. Okay, then you again go into enhance and how this is working. Now this line that we made, we say object convert outline to object. This becomes an object. Move it exactly as per how this one is. Okay, and if need be, close these areas. Again, you'll have to go into wireframe and close these areas, these open areas that are there, close them. Okay, you fix only one side, the other side will take care of itself. Fine, this is done. Now this we will select this and trim. So a 5 is trim. Okay, you enhance, a 5 is trim. This is what we want, and this all has to be red. Let's now play with red. Okay, red is our color of the triangle. Okay, whatever else we are going to be doing, we are going to be working in blue. Now today I'm going to show you something really amazing. Okay, we write yours. Okay, it bold, reduce the point size to it fitting somewhere over here. Okay, somewhere in between here, roughly. Okay, now what we are going to do is, okay, 19 point I think will be good. Fix it at 19 point. Okay, now what we will do is we will create a rectangle. Okay, let's get as close as possible to yours. Not that too close. Okay, 6.5. Good. Okay, E. So you will get exactly, you are at that position. Give it a white fill, no outline, control page down. So it's only going one step behind. Take your 2 point line. Okay, take this node as a guideline and this one and this. Okay, let's see if we are oh, a little short. Okay, now take this, copy and paste it here. Both of them have to be here. Okay, you enhance. You get these two lines. Let's make everything blue. The font, this has to be done separately. These are outlines, they need to be done separately. Okay, so this is our YMCA blue. Now let's take this up by very little. Okay, 0.1, this down by 0.1. Okay, so that we have a good space. Now I'm going to teach you something really amazing so that this suddenly looks 3D. Something like, okay, so we are going to make this whole area 3D. For that, don't be shocked. I'm teaching you something really different today. Okay, we are going to come here, make a triangle. Okay, one triangle. That triangle should be half of this line. So let's say, let's give these also a fixed size. Let's not be, let this not be 20, let it be 24. Okay, both are 24 and therefore this should be 12. Okay, half, and flip it. Take this one and give it no fill from gray color. Let's give 50% gray to this, and now let's give it a gradient fill. Gradient fill at 90 degrees. This should kind of disappear somewhere here. Let this be, okay. So I want this to disappear somewhere here, and this one come here. Let this be 40. Let this be 80. Okay, not 50, 80. So we have a very stark, uh, shadowy kind of a thing coming here. Now you do control page down. Okay. Now here, once you're done with that, okay, your triangle, now you play with your transparency on this side. Okay, bitmap, convert to bitmap, and same you do on the other side. Got it? And bitmap, convert to bitmap, CMYK. Okay, now copy and paste this at the right end and control page down. Okay, you want to see how this is looking now? Can you see there is a good, as if this is enveloping this kind of a thing? Yeah, isn't it amazing? Something amazingly new. Yes, never seen before. Something never seen before. Just take this, and now we will, let's give it a brand new shadow. Okay, so we take a triangle again. So friends, did you learn something really different and amazing? Good, I'm happy for you. Yeah, this is 24, and these were 3. This we don't keep it that big, we keep it only 2. Okay, and again as usual, flip it. Okay, no fill, 80% black, what we played with. And now we give it the gradient we want, or even better, go directly into the transfer. Okay, go directly into the transparency with this one. See, the more you curve it, the more you'll get the dip type feel. Okay, the shorter you make it, the better it is. So don't you think this is giving you a 3D look? Yeah, with the ears coming in. These also, if you want, let's try do one thing. Let's keep this one, we delete, we copy paste this one, put it here, make this 12, and let's see how this enhances the look. Okay, hit 12, right align, and here we need to go deeper. Are they both looking the same thing? No. Here the image is looking better, and here this is what we need because we don't want white coming here. Okay, so here is okay. So you learned something new today. Now, like how we are done with all the others, just take this. If 150 years is coming out slightly smaller, increase its size. Okay, increase its size. 150. Here. It should go slightly lower also. Yeah, this is its position. The 5 should look like a 5 once you look from it from far. Okay, group this, and now let's fit it in size. And now we just put it in this one. Let's remove this and place one. You might have to move the stars and all because this is a different design, a different font. Okay, And then from here we remove the years, the word years. Okay, the word from this anniversary is what we want. Okay, now because of this, let's do one thing and keep it, take a line higher till here. Okay, delete this higher. This should be center aligned again, up if need be, and I think we are done. Or we can copy paste this and say celebrating. Okay, center align, celebrate. Okay, let's move on. Decoration. Okay, isn't this just great? That's how you create it. Okay, so my friends, we have learned all these three. If you have missed any of these videos, okay, for this one, or you want to see this once more, you're welcome to do so. The link of all these three are there in my description. Feel free to just log in and have a look at all three of them. So my friends, if you like what you see, then please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.